Okay, Ryan, here's Mom trying to get up in the snow. She fell down.
Aurora, will you help me, Aurora?
Here we go. Come on, Mom.
I can't do it. I can't.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Help me.
Come on, Aurora. Tell her she can do it, hon. Let me go get the rescue squad to get her up.
Don't go around the hill. I feel bad.
Oh, look. Oh, it's that.
I fell down that hill.
Right there.
Okay.
All right, Mom, you can do it. Use both poles as one. And push yourself up. Look. There we go. Now we're going downhill.
This is the most fun I've had all day.
Okay. Put your skis over towards me so that they're pointing perpendicular to the hill.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
There you go. Point your skis towards this building over here. There you go. Point them. You got to get them perpendicular.
I got a cramp in my side.
Okay, I'm going to have to turn this off and pick you up.
I can do it. I can do it.
There you go. Come on.
I can do it. Ready? Set. Go! Come on, Mommy.
Come on.
Ready?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ready?
There, now you're up. Now you're up.
Ready? Oh, people are coming.
Oh! Uh-oh.